वजीर आईटी और बल्दियत बरस के तारक जमा राव ने कहा कि रियासत में जल्द ही सिंगल विंडो सिस्टम मुतारिफ करवाया जाएगा जो खातून ताजरीन के लिए मखसूस होगा। यह एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप से मुतालिक तमाम उमूर का प्लेटफॉर्म होगा। साल 2017 में मुनक्किदा ग्लोबल इकनॉमिक समिट के बाद खातून ताजिरों के लिए मखसूस रियासती हुकूमत की जानिब से चलाए जाने वाले प्लेटफॉर्म वी हब के 5 साल की तकमील के मौके पर मुनक्किदा तकरीब से खिताब करते हुए कहा कि दोनों तेलुगु रियासतों तेलंगाना और आंध्र प्रदेश में खवातीन माली नज़्म ज़ब्त की हामिल है और उनके सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स की कामयाबी भी इसकी दलील है। तेलंगाना हुकूमत जो खातून ताजिरों की मसाई कर रही है उनको सूद से पाक 750 करोड़ रुपए के कर्ज फराहम कर रही है।
But the fact also is, all these micro loans that are being given, 50,000, 1 lakh, 2 lakh and 5 lakhs, unfortunately are just circulated. They have not been used to create great deal of assets. जो एक impact create करना था, जो entrepreneurship का एक धमाका जो होना था, because of this consolidated women power, unfortunately has not happened. In spite of thousands of crores of worth money being disbursed every single year, just today alone, आज ही एक दिन में, myself and the Panchayati Raj Minister are going to Warangal. We are disbursing 750 crores worth of money, government contribution towards interest-free loans. But this is only a tip of the iceberg. In fact, we owe them some more. We owe them a few hundred crores more. अगर इंटरेस्ट के लिए इतना पैसा लग रहा है, तो प्रिंसिपल क्या होगा आप असेस कर सकती हैं। तो मैं कहना ये चाह रहा हूं कि बॉटम ऑफ द पिरामिड अप्रोच जो आपने बताया, हम लोग अगर एक टैंजिबल वैल्यू नहीं दिखाते हैं, एक खास प्रोडक्ट नहीं दिखाते हैं, कोई खास प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनाते हैं जो सोसाइटी के लिए यूजफुल हो, not really create that kind of an ecosystem that you want us to create. Of course, I take your point. You said VHub cannot be everywhere. You said VHub needs to forge collaborations. VHub needs to forge partnerships. I'm fully with you on that. I think we have to engage, we have to engage stakeholders in all forms and shapes. In fact, we work with the Australian government. We work with the German government. We work with the United States government. We work with everybody and ensure that we get as much energy, as much knowledge, as much technology expertise, as much input as possible into creating something of value. But let me also talk to you, Mahbubnagar district. She was diagnosed with breast cancer and was undergoing treatment when she was advised to eat healthy. She started making, because of her own health concern, she started making cold pressed oil in the traditional manner. And slowly, before she realized that, she started sharing the oil with others. She realized that she had something valuable. And then she actually started thinking about eating healthy and how that can actually spread as a habit to the rest of the society. And that became her entrepreneurial venture. A lot of times, the best of ideas, are not something that you sit upon for years or sit upon for months and then come out with something earth-shattering. Best of ideas, in fact, come out from necessity. What sometimes gets thrown at you in terms of a challenge that life throws at you, a curveball life throws at you, and how you choose to overcome it. I think therein lies a simple spark that might create an entrepreneurship opportunity, that might create an enterprise, that might create employment and wealth for the state and the country. So Jayamma came to VHub. She was taught by the VHub team packaging, accounting, licensing, and also was given